Most people buying their first RC monster truck either overpay for something too complex or grab something cheap that breaks way too fast. And with so many models claiming to be all-terrain or high performance, it's easy to end up with the wrong one. So in this video, we've done the homework for you, breaking down 7 of the best RC monster trucks that actually deliver, whether you're just starting out or ready to go full throttle. We'll cover real-world performance, who each one is best for, and what to know before you buy. All product links and any updated prices or deals are down below in the description. Arrma Big Rock 223S BLX. If you're stepping up from toy-grade RC trucks and want something that actually feels powerful, the Arrma Big Rock 223S BLX is a smart way to get started. It's built around a 3S brushless system that delivers serious punch. You'll feel the difference in throttle response immediately. This truck can hit speeds over 50 miles per hour, but where it really shines is in how confidently it handles rough, uneven terrain. That's thanks to the long travel suspension, wide wheelbase, and big tires that soak up bumps and ruts without bouncing around uncontrollably. It's built on Arrma's proven 4x4 BLX platform, which is a huge plus for maintenance and upgrades. Replacement parts are widely available, and the modular layout makes it much easier to work on if something breaks. For someone who doesn't want to tinker constantly but still wants room to grow, that's a major advantage. In terms of driving style, the Big Rock is definitely more of a basher than a crawler. It's great for open dirt lots, grassy fields, or neighborhood trail runs where you can open it up a bit. But if you're looking for tight crawling or technical trail performance, it's not built for that kind of precision. Overall, this is a great pick for anyone who wants a fast, durable RC truck that doesn't feel like a toy, but also doesn't require a full learning curve to enjoy. Traxxas BigFoot 4x4. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly RC truck that's easy to live with, the Traxxas BigFoot 4x4 is a solid place to start. It's built with casual use in mind, making it a good fit for younger users, families, or anyone who just wants reliable backyard fun without diving deep into tuning or upgrades. This model uses a brushed motor system, which keeps the speed moderate and the maintenance low. You're not going to win drag races with it, but that slower pace actually helps new drivers stay in control and get comfortable with handling. Plus, you'll usually get longer run times on a single battery charge compared to brushless setups, which is great for relaxed weekend use. What really makes the BigFoot stand out is its design. It looks like a true old-school monster truck, complete with a detailed body shell and oversized tires, something that appeals to collectors or anyone who grew up watching stadium truck shows. And with a waterproof ESC and sealed electronics, light rain, grass, and puddles won't be an issue. That said, this isn't the truck you choose for hardcore bashing or high-speed jumps. It's more about steady, fun performance than aggressive power. For someone who wants a real hobby-grade RC experience without all the complexity or risk of damaging something high-end, the BigFoot 4x4 hits a sweet spot between simplicity and quality. Team Coralie Kagama 4. If you're the kind of driver who pushes hard and expects your RC truck to take a beating, the Team Coralie Kagama 4 deserves a serious look. This truck is built with durability in mind, and it shows right out of the box. It runs on a 4S brushless system, which strikes a nice middle ground between raw power and everyday drivability. You get strong acceleration and high top-end speed, more than enough to launch off ramps or power through rough terrain, but without the overkill feel that sometimes comes with 6S setups. The build quality is where the Kagama really earns its spot. It features an aluminum chassis, steel drivetrain parts, and oil-filled shocks, all of which give it a more rugged and planted feel when landing jumps or slamming through uneven ground. It's noticeably heavier than most trucks in this category, and while that adds to stability, it can also make the Kagama feel a bit sluggish on tight, twisty courses. One thing to keep in mind, Coralie isn't as widely known or distributed as brands like Arrma or Traxxas, so the parts availability can depend on where you live. That doesn't make it a deal breaker, but it's worth checking before you buy. Overall, the Kagama 4 is a strong choice for bashers who aren't afraid to send it and need a truck that can take the punishment and keep going. Arrma Granite 4x4223S BLX. The Arrma Granite 4x4223S BLX is one of those RC trucks that hits a sweet spot for a lot of people. It's compact, easy to handle, and packs enough performance to keep things exciting, whether you're ripping through a grassy park, cruising over dirt trails, or even kicking up some snow in the winter. With the 3S brushless system, it delivers solid punch off the line and can reach speeds close to 50 miles per hour with the right gearing and battery. But what really stands out is how stable it feels during acceleration and when landing jumps, even in rough terrain. It's built for durability too. You're getting metal gear differentials and modular chassis and a tough outer shell, all of which make it more resilient when things go sideways. And if something does break, the modular design makes it easier to take apart and repair without tearing down the whole truck. Design-wise, the Granite uses a low-profile body and T-bone style bumper, both of which help reduce rollovers when cornering aggressively. That means you can really push it around corners without constantly flipping over, a big plus for high-speed backyard runs. Its one real drawback is clearance. The smaller tires are great for stability and control, but they can struggle on large rocks or deeply uneven ground where bigger trucks might power through. If you want a well-rounded RC truck that's fun, fast, and reliable, without needing constant tuning, the Granite 4x4 is one of the most practical choices out there. Redcat MT-18. If you're looking for an easy, affordable way into the RC monster truck world, the Redcat MT-18 is hard to beat. It's one of the most budget-friendly picks on this list, usually coming in under $150, and while it's smaller than the others, it still delivers solid performance for casual use. Built at a 1/18th scale, it's compact enough to drive indoors if needed, and it really shines in smaller outdoor spaces like driveways, parks, or backyard trails. Despite the size, Redcat didn't cut corners where it counts. It comes with a four-wheel drive drivetrain, oil-filled shocks, and full ball bearings, which give it a surprisingly smooth ride for its price range. It also includes a rechargeable Li-ion battery and USB charger, which makes it less intimidating for newcomers. No need to invest in a separate charging system right away. Where the MT-18 starts to show its limits is in rougher terrain. Its lightweight frame and smaller tires can struggle with deep grass, large rocks, or high-impact jumps. But if you're not looking to send it off ramps or bash through serious trails, that trade-off isn't a big deal. Overall, this is a great option for beginners, kids, or anyone who wants something that's fun, functional, and doesn't require a steep learning curve or a big budget. For casual weekend use, it's simple, solid, and a good reminder that you don't need to spend hundreds to enjoy the hobby. Traxxas TRX-4 K10. If speed isn't your goal and you're more into the technical, scale-realistic side of RC, the Traxxas TRX-4 K10 is probably what you're looking for. This truck is built for crawling, slow, calculated trail driving where control, traction, and ground clearance matter more than raw power. The portal axles on this model are a key feature. They raise the differential height without needing oversized tires, giving you more clearance and helping avoid hang-ups on rocks and roots. One of the biggest strengths of the TRX-4 platform is its versatility on uneven ground. You get remote locking differentials, which means you can switch between locked or open diffs right from the transmitter, depending on the terrain. That gives you better control when climbing or turning on mixed surfaces. And with cruise control, you can keep a steady speed on long stretches without constantly feathering the throttle. What also makes this truck stand out is the body. It comes with a detailed replica of the 1972 Chevy K10, complete with chrome accents and scale touches that appeal to collectors and realism-focused hobbyists. It's as much about the look and feel as it is about the performance. One thing to know, this isn't built for jumping, bashing, or fast backyard laps. Top speed is low by design. It's all about precision. For anyone who enjoys the process of picking a line, crawling over obstacles, and building scale trails, the TRX-4 K10 is an immersive and rewarding RC experience. Arrma Kraton 6S BLX RTR. If you're ready for serious performance and you don't want to hold back, the Arrma Kraton 6S BLX RTR is built to deliver. This is the kind of truck that doesn't flinch at 60+ mph speeds, massive jumps, or full-send bash sessions. Powered by a 6S LEGPO setup, the Kraton puts out an impressive mix of top-end speed and raw torque, making it feel less like a toy and more like a small off-road machine. What really sets it apart is its durability. It's packed with heavy-duty parts, including an aluminum center drive shaft, reinforced arms, and EXB-level components, all designed to handle the stress of hard impacts and fast landings. Even if you're not the most careful driver, this truck can take abuse and come back for more. Despite all that power, the extra-wide stance and oversized tires help it stay planted. It's surprisingly stable at high speeds, which makes it a bit more forgiving than you'd expect for something this aggressive. Whether you're tearing up dirt lots, skate parks, or open fields, the Kraton has the muscle and grip to hold its own. The biggest trade-offs are the price and the learning curve. This is not a truck for tight backyards or beginners without room to run. It demands space and respect. But if you want the top-tier RC bashing experience without compromise, the Kraton 6S is as close to a go-anywhere, do-anything monster as you'll find. Choosing the right RC monster truck comes down to what kind of experience you're after. If you're keeping things simple and affordable, the Redcat MT-18 is a solid, no-stress choice. For a dependable all-around basher that's fun on just about any surface, the Arrma Granite 4x4 delivers great value. If you want the most power and durability money can buy, the Arrma Kraton 6S is built for full-send performance. And for those who prefer slow, technical trail driving with a scale-realistic feel, the Traxxas TRX-4 K10 stands out. All the product links are in the description, and if there are any current deals or discounts, you'll find them there too. If this helped, hit that like button, drop a comment with your pick, and subscribe for more buyer-focused RC guides. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.